Looking for a fresh twist on your lunch game? Let's roll with this one. Start with 1 cup of cooked quinoa with 2 tablespoons of tamari. That umami punch? Totally worth it. Next, dip a rice paper sheet in hot water for 10 to 15 seconds until it's soft and silky. Cut up your veggies. Slice up some bell pepper, snow peas, and carrot. Bright, crisp, and ready to roll. Now the fun part. Layer on 2 to 3 mint leaves, about 20 grams of Nordic smoked salmon, a spoonful of that tamari-infused quinoa, and your freshly chopped veggies. Fold, tuck, and roll it tight like a little flavor parcel. Serve with a side of tamari and wait for that dip and crunch combo to hit just right. Fresh, satisfying, and packed with goodness, these rolls are a bite-sized celebration.